Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. Welcome back to my weekly 5 in 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on decluttering and living a simpler life with less. This particular topic is geared towards keeping it together when life gets just too busy. And it's about everyday challenges, but everyday solutions, particularly for young parents who are trying to juggle careers, kids, relationships, and also all that clutter. The reality is that life is loud, is busy, and it's also relentless. Between your business meetings, your school drop-offs, the laundry, dinner, it feels like you're on a treadmill and it's never ending. But the clutter in your home and also on your calendar isn't just about stuff. It's also about the mental weight, and left unchecked. This can lead to a lot of stress, burnout, and disconnection with those that you love. But here's the good news. Small shifts can create a bit of big breathing room for all of you and for your entire family. So I've created everyday challenges and quick solutions. So my first tip is about the morning chaos. So the challenge here is the scramble for shoes, for lunches, for homework. That leaves you pretty frazzled even before 8 a.m. And a solution here would be a nightly 10-minute reset, lay out the clothes, pack the bags, pack the lunches, and clear the counters. That way you will prevent the morning circus by setting the stage the night before. The second tip is the overflowing calendar. A challenge here is every day feels like a relay race between work and errands and soccer and dinner. A young dad showed me his shared family calendar, and every square inch of it was full, and asked, "What about you?" And he just laughed. He said, it's not going to happen right now. But it can happen. So block 2 no-plan nights each week. Make it like your job to do that, because you deserve it and so does your family. So if your calendar's full, empty that space and save it for you. The third one is the drop zone disaster. So a challenge here is the book bags, the shoes, the junk mail. All of this seems to explode inside the mudroom. A young toddler once tripped over a mountain of sneakers and she yelled that she was being attacked by shoes. So that doesn't have to happen. If you create a family launch pad, 1 hook, 1 basket, 1 shelf per person. And shoes don't have to be in an avalanche, so give them a home. And then there's the dinner dilemma. The challenge here is hungry kids, tired parents, and no plan. So a young professional mother confessed to serving her children grapes and cereal for 3 nights in a row. And her kids, of course, thought that was great. But that doesn't have to happen. Just rotate 5 go-to meals, keep the ingredients stocked, and keep it simple, and then it's done. Dinner doesn't need applause, it just needs good hungry mouths. And the last tip today is the never-ending clutter. So the challenge here is toys, papers. That stuff just seems to multiply. A dad who was cleaning up toys said it was like fighting a fire hydrant. But a solution here would be a 10-minute family tidy up time. Set a timer, maybe put on your favorite music, and then let the clutter be gone. And then just slay that clutter monster with maybe a dance party. So those are my tips for today. This week's tip is to survive. Survival isn't the goal, sanity is. So if you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share them with others you think might benefit. And also, if you need additional tips on decluttering, check out my Decluttering Minimalist Essentials book. It's a complete and a comprehensive guide to decluttering every single area of your home. It's only $14.99. You can check the link below. So in the meanwhile, just keep it simple and enjoy.